Alright, y'all, let's check out Rolling Museum's inventory. See what they got up here. We got a big box of there, 454. Red, white top, white interior. T-top Monte Carlo SS. Coupe Ville. Like that, she nice. A lot of T-bodies in here. Two white Monte Carlo SS's right here. His and hers. I was doing some work to them. Harley SS, Culture Classic Rugs. Got that Caballero. Some slick wheels. Oh yeah. She nice.
Oh yeah, it's a little almost out of gas. It's good though.
What is this, a Camaro? Camaro 1969. All them documents they got. Know it's taken care of. And people take their time and make sure they collect all the documents. That old box Chevy right here. Box Chevy. Clean interior. Another Impala SS. We got right here, old Bone. Clean interior. There's one more over here in the back I haven't got to. Another Camaro. Well, make sure y'all tap in. Go to rollingmuseum.com. They got financing available. But they say life too short to drive boring cars. Make sure y'all tap in and get y'all one of these nice classes.